What's the meaning of circumspection? Circumspection. Circumspection.
Circumspection. Circumspection. Circumspection refers to the act of carefully considering all aspects of a situation before taking any action, in order to avoid making mistakes or causing harm. It involves being cautious and attentive to potential risks and consequences, and weighing them against potential benefits. Circumspection can be especially important in complex or uncertain situations where there are multiple variables at play. By exercising circumspection, individuals can make more informed decisions that are grounded in careful analysis and reflection, which can ultimately lead to better outcomes and more successful results.